Hello everyone, my name is Yrysbu and our Alam team welcomes you to our YouTube channel. Each team member prepared a video lesson on the Anjela U's course. Today we are going to learn about font styling in our personal site. Now there are two major font families, serif and sans serif. You can apart them from each other easily by looking for these little feet are called serif. Now we can define whether we want sans serif or serif typeface for any text on our website. Let's go to our style sheet and change the font family property for our body. Um, then it will affect all the text on our website. You can see there is a 5 major families listed here: cursive, fantasy, monospace, sans serif, serif. Now there are only 3 are actually using. We already know about like serif and sans serif, and now about monospace. Monospace is when each of the characters inside the text take up the same amount of bits, and this is a type face that we use for coding because it makes everything super easy to read. Cursive means a handwritten style, and fantasy is remind you an avatar. So let's take a look what each families look like. First, define serif. Let's look on browser. You will notice anything because nothing's changed. By default, we have already a serif family. As you can see, there are little feeds on the edge. Now, if we change it to sans serif, we can see a noticeable change. The feeds are disappear now, and we have a different style. Now, most of the browser has default serif is a Times font, and for sans serif is Arial. What if I want a different serif font instead of Arial? I would rather have a Verdana as a font for my website. Let's see how we can do that. I can just type here Verdana, and put comma, and let's refresh it. As you see, I have now Verdana one, but what this code line means? It means when first comes Verdana, then if they haven't Verdana installed, they have any sans serif from their operating system. So what now for some reason I want another like style for my website. What can I do if I want everybody who looks at my website to see exactly the same things as I designed it? Well, I could use something called a fonts.google.com, and I can choose from here. It's called like embedded fonts. You can see that they have got a whole bunch of font families. You can simply embed on your website. It's free for commercial use, and in my case, I know already what I want on my website. Like it's called Meriwether. Meriwether. Yes, I got one. And then I want a second one, Sacramento. It will be for my H1. So beautiful. And then third, I want Montserrat. And now I just like there I copy the link. I take the link from here and put on my index HTML right there. And I go back and instead of here in my body, I put from here a font family Meriwether serif. I just copy and put on my style sheet like this one and go back. I take the font family Montserrat for my H2 and H3. And the last one is Sacramento. It will be for my H1. Let's go to see on the browser. You see, it looks so beautiful, and I like this design. And this is, I'm just going to say that it's this links gives a specifies a location where if users don't have this font already installed, then their browser will take them to this location and grab fonts for them. Thank you for your attention. So